Friends, with great pleasure, I, Advocate Shirish Bapat, welcome you all subscribers, viewers to this channel of Leg Eju, which I have planned to start on YouTube. I thank YouTube for this cooperation. Friends, ignorance of law is no excuse. Means you are supposed to know what is legal and which act is illegal or unlawful. Even so, most of us are unaware of various laws in our day to day life. By this channel, I plan to appraise common man with various basic legal aspects. I feel this knowledge shall help everyone in having some basic understanding of various laws in India. There is a legal consensus and opinion that law is very complicated subject, and it is true also. In most cases, there are various different aspects of each case, so each one's case may differ from someone else's depending upon the situation, background, details, chain of events, etc. So, I wish to clarify in the beginning itself that I, the presenter, shall in no way be responsible for any legal action taken by anyone on the basis of what is narrated in this channel. Individuals are advised to consult their lawyers before initiating any legal action. If anyone wished to discuss any details further, he may contact me by email advocatesdbapat@gmail.com. So friends, with this brief introduction, let's start with our subject. If you like this subject, please subscribe to my channel. Also press like button and give your comments. Your response will only help me in improvising my presentation in future. I plan to come to you with different episodes twice a month, with each episode of around 8 to 10 minutes. Our first topic selected is will, is also called Mrityu Patra or Ichha Patra in Hindi. Now friends, why making a will is so important? It is everyone's wish that after his or her death, his or her property should go in the hands of a person of his choice and not to anyone else. Any people feel that I have appointed a nominee to each of my property. So then why to make a will? What's the need to worry at all? Let me tell you friends, nominee is only a custodian of the property and does not automatically become a owner of the property. It only facilitates easy transfer of property into the minor's name from the agency in which investment is made. But legal heirs are the real owners of that property and can always stake their claim over it. Not only that, but it is the nominee's responsibility to transfer the said property to legal owners. Now, people may feel that I have appointed my legal heir as nominee, so there should not be any problem. Fine. What if there are other legal heirs also? For example, the mother of the deceased, the children, the wife, they all form legal heirs of a deceased person. You have not nominated all your legal heirs in your property, then what? Further, each one of your legal heirs, what proportion of your property you wish to give? So that is not mentioned into the nomination. So will does that. Today's world of secrecy and IT controlled regime, everything is locked by passcode. I have seen cases where even the wife does not have access to husband's investments recorded in his mobile and she doesn't have the passcodes either. Many times there are untimely deaths of a person. The family is put to lot of hardship even to know where and what investments the person has had and whom to contact. Forget about the transfer of funds to her. So, will gives you all that record. Also, there is a misconception that will is to be made only by old people after retirement, prior to their death, and not by young persons. It's not my job. It's not my job. Why do you take life insurance policy in early age? May I ask? Gone are the days of past generations. My advice, every adult, he or she must make a will. We shall see details in coming episodes. Friends, in the starting episode, we are going to see only some phrases and few important definitions. And in next episode, we shall cover essential characteristics of will, test whether a document is a will or not, what is its form, and language of will, etc. etc. So, in my opinion, will must be made by every adult individual, maybe he or she. Now, in this topic, in this episode, I plan to cover only few concepts and some definitions. This will is governed by Indian Succession Act 1925, section 57 to section 191, and it is also called testamentary succession. One who dies without making a will is said to have died intestate. Applicability to all Indians except Muslims. For example, Hindu, Sikh, Buddha, Jain, Christians, Parsis, etc. Now let's see certain phrases. Will is called Mrutyupatra or Ichhapatra. Testator is a person who makes the will, male or female either. Legatee, one to whom the property or benefit is given. To bequeath is an act of giving or leaving something by will, and bequest is the property that you get by way of will. Now, what is the definition? Let's come to the basic definition of a will. Will means a legal declaration of the intention of the testator, his or her either, with respect to his or her property, which he or she desires to be carried out into effect after his or her death. It is also said will speaks after the death of the person. Now, please mark the important phrases in this definition. It should be a legal declaration. It is an intention of the testator, that is the person who is making a will, with respect to of his or her property, which he or she desires to be carried out into effect after his or her death. Now, what is codicil? It is an instrument in relation to the will for explaining, adding, altering to his disposition to an already executed will. Codicil is a part of the will. That means codicil is a add-on document to the executed will to make any changes into original will. Executor is a person appointed by testator to execute the last will of the deceased person. What is probate? Probate is a copy of will certified under seal of court of competent jurisdiction with grant of administration to the estate of the testator. So this is issued only to executor. Fourth, administrator. A person appointed by the court to administer the estate of a deceased person. The earlier definition which I said was of a probate. When testator does not appoint any executor to execute his will, then administrator is appointed by the court. District judge, judge of a principal civil court. I think the time is up now. In next episode, we shall continue with essential characteristics of the will, test of a will, whether a document is will or not, form, languages of a will, and stamp duty and registration, etc. Goodbye till then. Thank you for patiently listening to me.